Hey guys, it's XayLi. Today I am spending the day with ConvertKit. Actually, I'm lying.
You're lying.
This is what happened.
Spent.
ConvertKit flew to Dallas to record an amazing documentary on my journey. Listen, it's gonna. Hello. So this is day 2. It was supposed to be a full-on 3-day shoot, but Henry and Issa are so amazing, and excuse me,
My bad.
they are so amazing that we knocked it out in 2 days. So I'm really excited about that. Super excited. If you don't know what ConvertKit is, it's one of the best email marketing softwares out there. And I love their focus on creators, and I am a creator, like at the core of myself. So this is day 2, but day 1 obviously has passed already. But in this vlog, you're gonna see some footage from day 1 and today, day 2. And so they came to Dallas and really got so granular into my story. And I'm so excited for you to see that. And I'm not sure if you're looking at this vlog now, that might be down in the description. I'm trying to think, like, when would this be uploaded? Y'all know that Rio is right here. When will this be uploaded? I don't know when this is gonna be uploaded.
I don't know.
But check the description box, because you guys know I always have good info in the description box. So yeah, let's get into spending a day with me.
Let me see what chairs you have here.
Well, we have that cow chair, which is my personal favorite.
Which would you like to sit in?
Anyone that's best for you. I guess I would have to lower the desk if I'm sitting in that one.
Let me see though, because I'm not so sure about that because it moves.
No, you do, Henry. I'm just letting you know I like the cow chair.
Do whatever you feel.
Yeah, you know what we need.
We have extra stools and stuff that like pull from, which we're
Perfect.
supposed to get rid of. So
Perfect. He's doing his
if we
chair.
have it here.
His chair searching. Is that real wallpaper or temporary?
Temporary from Target.
It looks like is it all one piece?
No, this amazing guy.
I spent a very long time trying to match the patterns together.
He really did.
I have 2 walls and it's all panels and like this looks like one full piece.
I was gonna be really lazy. Like if you really like examine it, like you'll see like they all don't match up exactly.
Yeah, we really have to look.
Here?
Yeah,
Okay.
you're sitting there. Well, I mean, you can move forward. I just want to. I don't want
okay.
to block this halfway.
Okay.
Let me just check. So XayLi, I've got 2 lapel mics. One pins through your shirt and the other one will clip. Either is fine. The pin through one is more discreet.
Ty, you need to see this. Look at that.
Sick.
That's the microphone, and it
What's that? The Rode?
It's a Rode. So I'm just using the filmmaker kit as the packs, but this is a special like lavalier called a pin mic. Yeah. Oh yeah. And here we go.
So I'm gonna share with you a little quick overview.
Yes,
You can ask me
please.
any questions you have. So you'll look toward the camera, but you can talk to me.
okay.
If I look away because I'm taking notes, or you see me writing because I am in it.
Yeah.
We'll do the interview for about 90 minutes. The final film will be about like 22 to 25 minutes. So you can be really natural. This
Okay,
does
cool.
not need to be perfect. We will make it look and sound perfect. So if you end up like feeling like you go on a tangent and to get back to something, that's beautiful. That's where
Okay.
good stuff happens. So you can be really natural, just telling a story. Obviously, you'll repeat lots of stuff that's in the written story, because I'm going to ask you some
Yes,
questions,
okay.
but there's no pressure to like repeat it exactly
Yeah,
how you
because I
heard
really
it.
can't remember.
You don't need to. I've got the questions. You can pretend. I mean, Henry doesn't. I mean, he did read the story.
I've read the story.
Never mind. That doesn't. But anyway.
I can ask.
And I'll ask some questions related to some of them, just because I love some of the stories you told. And I'd love you to tell them again. But again, however it feels to you now, would be great. And basically, the film is another chance to go even deeper, because now they get to see you and hear your emotion. And then while they're hearing you many times, they're going to have all this beautiful footage that Henry will be filming and some he'll get from you from your past. So it's going to be more in depth, and we love for it to be really real. And like you were saying, how certain things creators don't talk about. Like this is the place. This film series is something we're trying to do is help people see the real journey, the real story behind these amazing online businesses, both the highs and the lows, so that they know that the ups and downs are normal, so that it inspires them to keep going, and that also people who are in it with you can watch it and feel like they're not alone and see themselves reflected, and hopefully people who really want to do it and just don't feel like they can, that maybe you're the author of this film is something that inspires them to like, okay, maybe I can do it.
That part.
So that's the goal, definitely inspirational, which you just are. So I have no problem. That's why we picked you for this. So I have no worries about that. But yeah, that's basically what I'm going for. It'll be about 90 minutes, and then we'll do lunch. Did you dream of having your own business then, or had you got that far?
I always dreamed about having my own business. I just didn't know what that business was. So I always knew I was supposed to have my own business. I just didn't know that. I didn't know what it was. I was open to the invitation of whatever that would be.
Love that. What did it feel like to actually move up to the U.S., a new country? Were you totally by yourself? Was your mom close by? Like, what was that experience like?
Yeah. Moving to New York was a roller coaster now that I look back and think about it. And I think that just being excited really dimmed all of the things that were really happening. Like, whoa, I have to be at school, I have to find a job now here. I have to also learn the city at the same time. I have to understand how to navigate New York. This is a big city. So being in New York was, I would say now, like I could look back and say it was an amazing experience. And so,
Happen to have it ready when the film's about to go out, that would be
okay, that would be pretty cool.
When does this come out?
Isa, do you remember?
I can look it up on my phone. It's in
Like early next
March
year.
or April.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we could just have it loaded. So maybe tomorrow I'll take more of I'll take the camera like before you guys get here and share what's going. Now that I know, I'll share today we're like blah 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 blah.
Perfect. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna mic you up again.
Okay.
So same deal as before. I used to do these studio tours with, could you just start it down? Thanks. Used to do the studio tours with like the on-camera mic, but I find that this just gives me a bit more freedom. So I'm just sitting right in front of you. Okay, right here this time.
But yeah, please don't read it yet. I want to have you read, and I'm gonna put a card so it's very clear that I'm making you do this. So I'll do a card that says like we asked Sadie to read for the first blog, whatever. She hasn't seen it in like years or whatever, so that they'll know that it's super old, and everyone will relate because we all have our first thing on the internet that would all half make us laugh, but also
I just never
be
because
like, wow.
I just didn't think like who's looking for that.
But it's actually kind of profound. So it's going to fit in with the film very well.
So more of my favorite books that definitely, I have books on makeup, books on beauty, books on business, like so many different books because I feel like those are all parts of who I am as a creator.
If you could recommend one book that's on your shelf to viewers, which one would it be? Oh, hold on, but don't do that yet, so you have time to think.
Okay.
Wait till Henry says yes.
Yes.
Wait, I gotta look for the book.
That's fine. It's fine. This will all be edited, so like this doesn't have to be.
You know what? Okay, here it is. Think and Grow Rich. You don't have to read a Black choice, but I'm Black, so I'm reading a Black choice. But Think and Grow Rich. This is something every quarter I pick it up because you get busy, you lose sight of what you want, you lose sight of how to visualize and create your own definition of what your life should be like. So I always recommend a good Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. It's in so many different languages, so many different versions. Pick the one that's best for you and keep it. You see, mine is beaten, like it gets beaten. And this is, ooh guys. You guys know how I feel about this. Now I feel like I am obsessed with the MTA now that, we've been talking about all this stuff. Mild obsession there. Trace,
This is my first time in downtown Dallas ever.
Really?
Yes, ever.
Oh wow.
I've never been in here. My brother has always lived in like the suburbs.
Yes.
45
This is very
minutes away,
different.
So it's very cool. I've heard great things about it.
November issue.
Yes, for me. October 27th for me.
Mine is exactly November the 1st.
Wow.
Is this
here? Yeah, this right
this
here.
is it.
Thank you.
Thanks, man.
Well, I think it was created in Boston, no? General So Chicken, yeah.
It's not really
Like it's not really
But like also just the whole thing of like how Chinese food in America is so different from like Chinese food in China because the palate is different and they changed like to make it sweeter and more sour or whatever to be more palatable for the Americans.
I will say, so Trinidad is a melting pot, and we have Chinese people in Trinidad, and
Oh, for real?
Trinidadian Chinese
Oh, that sounds awesome.
is the best thing ever. How much faith do you need to have? Just that. Just that.
Alright, let's just try it. Give it a shot. It's forwarding. Alright, let's stop it there.
Real estate cities, aren't they?
Oh, it's this side. Okay.
That freaked me out.
Oh, I should have told you guys.
Again,
Sorry.
walking out or
I think.
This is the cafe vibe with the light.
Okay, I think that's good.
Thank you, Henry.
Yeah, I'm happy with everything we've got here.
Me too. This is great.
So yeah, so we could go to Deep Ellum and then head to Caribbean Con, which is the farmers market, which would be cool for you guys to see too.
Oh, it's a farmer's market?
Yeah.
Look it up. It looks like it's a thing.
Yeah,
would be
so
great.
it's the stall inside of a farmer's market.
Cool.
So, perfect.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that. I will leave some information down below on ConvertKit and how amazing they are. I've been using them in my business for a few years now, and I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of content. If you do, let me know down in the comments, and you know, I will see you guys soon. Bye.